Part B. Show that the graph of f has three asymptotes and state their equations. Okay, so we know that the vertical asymptote from part A, that occurs when x equals negative ln2. This is from part A. And we found that just by letting the denominator equal 0. Now, in terms of horizontal asymptotes, there's probably going to be 2 here because it says there's 3 in total. So let's first consider what's going to be the horizontal asymptotes. What's going to be the limit? The limit as x approaches negative infinity of our function. Now what that means is when x goes left forever, what's the y value going to be? And that will be an horizontal asymptote. So we want to try and visualize what the y value will be, subbing in negative infinity into the original equation. Well, 2 minus e to the negative infinity. E to the negative infinity is an incredibly small number. It's pretty much 0. So we're going to get 2 minus 0 over, now again this is going to be 2 times e to the negative infinity, which is essentially 0 minus 1. So we're going to get 2 over negative 1. So this will be negative 2. So that's going to be one answer. Therefore, y is negative 2. And also, if we go to the right, as x approaches positive infinity, what will our function, our y value plateau to be? Well, 2 minus, now, e to the power of positive infinity, that's going to be incredibly large. It's going to pretty much be infinity. And then on the bottom, 2 times e to the power of infinity, that'll be just 2 times infinity, because e to the power of infinity is huge, and then minus 1. So let's look at the terms that it will sort of completely tell what this will reach. The 2 minus infinity, this will essentially go to negative infinity because the 2 at the start won't do much to it. But on the bottom we have 2 infinity, and then the minus 1 isn't going to affect it much. So I'm actually just going to put 2 infinity. Now again, you could tell this just by graphing it. If you did the trace tool and just went to the right as far as you could go, you'll realize here that there is a negative a half happening. Negative a half for the y value, because we have 1 over 2, negative. So y equaling negative a half will be another asymptote. So therefore, we have x equals negative ln2, y equals negative 2, and y equals negative a half. Okay, that's our 3 asymptotes.